Sweet potato transplant day. Check this out, folks. So we've made some slips all over the place. We have lots of slips everywhere, sweet potato slips everywhere. And what we're doing is we're transferring them into their pots for growing. Check this out. We've already started the process, but because sweet potatoes love 100 degrees, this is a great place for them to do their growing. So we've created these pots with a little bit of a lip on them. If you notice, it's kind of a gradual rise in the pot. We're going to be resting the slips and their roots to the base of that, as Laura Lee's going to show you. Just check this out. And then once the slips are all in place, we're going to then cover that top with more soil, and then that's all it takes. And these will actually vine up. They don't grab like regular vines. We'll have to guide them up onto these pallets, but they're going to decorate these pallets with all these beautiful leaves, and with any luck we'll start to see their flowers. So the process of just adding the soil is real simple. You're just covering up the roots because they're already deep enough in the plant, in the pot. So the leaves are out and exposed as they need to grow, and the roots are being covered with soil, and we just basically level off that angle. So as you notice, she's putting enough soil to make it level from top to bottom for the soil and for those plants. Beautifully done.